On WBTV, a local courthouse has become a hotbed for ICE arrests as the Department of Homeland Security increases deportations nationwide. Our investigative reporter Naomi Coles got a first-hand look at a new tactic for immigration enforcement here in Charlotte.
Whether at a factory in Kings Mountain,
officers then chased him down this hill into this duck pond,
or through this pond outside Mecklenburg County's courthouse.
4 arrests at the Mecklenburg County Courthouse earlier this week.
ICE arrests across the greater Charlotte metro area have become commonplace.
Immigration enforcement agents were seen in the line.
But at an unassuming white building on Charlotte's east side, ramped up arrests are taking a different, more subtle turn. There's no sign outside to tell you this is the only immigration courthouse in the Carolinas, holding the fate for thousands. Its backlog is tens of thousands of cases deep. And in the last several weeks, some of those coming to their civil court proceedings are leaving instead in handcuffs in this unmarked white van. Immigration attorney Andres Lopez works on the first floor of this building.
You know, I've observed them here regularly, sometimes every day, sometimes morning and afternoon.
I watched on a hot Wednesday morning in June as agents led one person, then a group, and then 2 more from the courthouse into the van. The people you're seeing in handcuffs are coming from what's called a master hearing. Essentially, they've been issued papers saying they're in the country illegally and must come to court as part of removal proceedings, where the law gives them the right to make their case for why they should stay. But Attorney Lopez said when some of those people show up, the government is dropping the case instead.
Outside the courtroom, ICE is waiting to detain them and essentially putting them in a more vulnerable legal situation called expedited removal proceedings.
Do you view this as violating due process?
Yes, every individual has been placed in removal proceedings and they're trying to follow the law.
The van isn't marked, and from this distance, neither are the agents. I asked ICE's regional spokesperson about it. He didn't respond.
We're getting the criminals out and we're getting them out fast.
All of this is part of the Trump administration's goal nationwide to hit a quota of 3,000 ICE arrests a day. In North Carolina, new data shows ICE arrests at the beginning of June had already surpassed 2024's arrest numbers for the entire year. Nationwide, CBS News reports the data shows 8% of those arrested had violent convictions. Border Czar Tom Homan said last week that ICE agents are following orders from the top in targeting more than just criminals.
National security threats, public safety threats are always the priority. Well, if you're in the country illegally, you're not off the table. See people, saying we're arresting non-criminals. Well, they're in the country illegally. That's our job.
Meanwhile, the names of the people put into vans and sent to detainment centers are shrouded in secrecy. Without names, I can't verify any criminal backgrounds or their status. An ICE spokesperson refused a list when I asked, citing privacy concerns. Reporting in Charlotte, Naomi Coles, WBTV, on your side.
Coming up later in this hour, Naomi is going to join us here in studio to dig deeper into how she reported this behind-the-scenes story and to talk about some of the legal mechanisms at play with this new tactic. Again, that's coming up tonight here at 7:30.